Coffee Vending Machines Market Report, Global Market Analysis. Coffee vending machines market size is $17,581.2 million in 2024 and will expand at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 8% from 2024 to 2031. North America Market Analysis. North America held the major market of more than 40% of the global revenue with a market size of $7,032.48 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 6.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe Market Analysis. Europe held the market of more than 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $5,274.36 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 6.5% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific Market Analysis. Asia Pacific held the market of around 23% of the global revenue with a market size of $4,043.68 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 10% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America Market Analysis. Latin America market of more than 5% of the global revenue with a market size of $879.06 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 7.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa Market Analysis. Middle East and Africa held the major market of around 2% of the global revenue with a market size of $351.62 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 7.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.